Hello students. These are kind of like the ones that I gave you guys yesterday, except that yesterday you could see the slope and the intercept, or they were given it to you. And here, for instance, in number 2 on the first sheet you're gonna get, our goal is to make this look like y equals mx plus b. Once we have that y by itself, we can see the slope and we can see the y-intercept, and then we can graph, right? But the first thing we have to do here is to get the y by itself. So what we're gonna do is here the the step to start on would be to separate, not letters and numbers, but like we did earlier, y side, and this side will be the not y side. Okay, so from the y side, this is not a y. He shouldn't be here. He should be over here. So let me just draw the line so we can see the sides. So this is step 4, the separate step, and my tools are plus or minus only. Okay, so because this is a minus 5x, we're gonna go plus 5x. Minus 5x plus 5x, 0, right? That's what we're trying to do in step 4, is make zeros. So because I add 5x to this side, I had to add 5x over here. Let me bring this down. We're here at 6y equals to 12 plus 5x. Okay, so now we separated. We have all the y's over here and all the not y stuff over here on the right side. So the next thing we're gonna do is to get rid of this 6. But this is step 5, because we're done with step 4, which was the separate step. So here our tools are multiply, divide, and square root. So because this 6 is multiplying the y, Barley, we're gonna divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. So we'll get y equals to 12 divided by 6 is 2 plus 5 over 6x. Okay, so if you look at this formula here, and you come back and look at this formula here, you can see that the m here is going to be 5 over 6, because the m is next to the x, and then the b is a number by itself, which is my y-intercept. It's going to be 2. Okay, so let's graph. The y-intercept happens at 2, so the y-intercept is right here. And then we're going to do what this is telling me to do. This is a change in y, and this is a change in x. So this says that the y changes by positive 5 units. So it's going to gain 5 units of value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool, it makes sense. We were at 2, now we're at 5. That's a difference of 5. Okay, and then the x is going to change by positive 6. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can draw our line. Cool. And that's our line. Alrighty. Okay. Let's try number 5, just because it's right there. We could do it real quick. Again, we want to get the y by itself. This is what's keeping the y from being by itself. So we're going to start on separate. So I'm going to call this the y side, and then this will be the not y. Okay. So, and this is where we're going to do the sides. So this guy is not a y. He shouldn't be here. So we're going to go minus 30, minus 30. 7x minus 30, we can't do that, so we're just going to write 7x minus 30. And then here I'm going to have my negative 5y. And we're done with that step 4, which was to separate. Now we're going to go to step 5, and our tools are multiply, divide, and square root. Now a lot of people try to cancel this negative 5 with a positive 5. But this negative 5 is multiplying our y. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide by negative 5. And each of these terms is going to get divided by negative 5. Okay? So I'll write it here. Y equals negative, 7 divided by negative 5. I'm just going to write it like this. Negative 7 over 5x. Okay? I just took the little negative and I put them on top. And then this is negative 30 divided by negative 5. That'll give me a positive 6. So our slope here is going to be negative 7 over 5, and my y-intercept is going to be 6. Okay, so remember, this is the change in y, and because it's negative, that means we're going to lose 7 units of value. And this is the change in x. Because it's positive, it means we're going to gain 5 units of value. So I'm going to come over here to the y-intercept and find 6. Now I'm gonna do the y first, okay? You could do the x first, but whatever. This is -7, so that means go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we used to be at 6 and now we're at -1, so that's us losing 7 units of value. Okay, and then we're gonna go right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we want to gain 5 units of value in the x. So we're right there. And now we can draw our line. Cool, and there you have it. Okay, good luck. Sorry about the dog. My dog's name is Barley, and she was growling at something out the window. You'll probably hear more in our videos. Okay, I'll put her on the video later. All right, bye. Thank you. Good luck.